Manas National Park of Assam, situated in the foothills of Himalaya, is a World Heritage Site and is also a declared Biosphere Reserve under Main Biosphere Program of UNESCO. The park is also one of the most important tiger conservation areas in India. Manas National Park offers excellent habitats such as grasslands, forests, rivers and wetlands, and low hills to a wide variety of mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians, along with butterflies and insects. So far, more than 50 species of plants have been identified in Manas, and the faunal diversity of the park is extraordinarily rich.
Manas is famous for its biodiversity and one of the biodiversity hotspot. Here, 21 Schedule 1 animals enshrined in the Wildlife Protection Act of India are found together, whether it is a rhino or whether it is a Bengal florican or even a tiger or for that matter the peacock. Anyway, in this manner, this is the only national park where 21 species are together.
An incubating Burmese rock python was recently spotted inside the park, and the authority decided to monitor and study the entire hatching process and also to offer protection to the eggs and the babies. Mr. Gautam Saikia, a wildlife filmmaker and a nature conservationist, was entrusted with the task, who was supported by a local NGO called Manas Mozi Yandri Eco-Tourism Society. Boru Tribal Autonomous Council provided the monetary support and the Forest Department offered the logistics. The incubating python was constantly monitored and guarded. Body temperature was recorded to know the incubating temperature. The python, however, never left the eggs for a continuous period of 42 days during observation, after which she might have decided at one particular point of time that the eggs are ready for hatching and left the place. Soon, however, ants and mites appeared in the scene and started to devour the eggs. Mr. Gautasankya was keen to offer protection to the eggs and he immediately constructed a temporary incubator. There were 87 eggs in total, and all of them were moved. The hatching started, and in 8 days, all of them were successfully hatched. 100% successful hatching of python under human protection is rare and perhaps is the first ever exercise world over.
While in the wild, there are natural balance. Usually, out of say 30 40 eggs, hardly a few survive. Of course, you don't know the exact quantum of survival here. It could be 10%, 20%, something like that. Since this was being monitored, and already human interference was there, uh, it was right. It was the right thing you did, bringing it to a safe place and to ensure maximum hatching, successful hatching.
The baby pythons were the fittest immediately after birth. However, they were sheltered at a nursery for further observation. After 24 hours of sheltering and observation, Mrs. Saikia felt that the babies were perfectly fit for wild environment. They were released in batches in different zones of the Manas National Park with the hope that the balance in the ecosystem is conserved.
So, যাব দিম নে?
যাব দিয়ক আৰু।
যাব।
কষ্ট পাব।